I'm ready now for work. Tapos na ako. Hindi ako nag-uniform kasi night staff naman ako. So, okay lang. Actually, may uniform kami guys, pero hindi ako nagsusuot. Minsan lang nagsusuot ako. So, ngayon, hindi ako nagsusuot. So, I'm ready for work. I'm just waiting for the time. Usually, magsa-start ako ng maligo ako 6:30 or sometimes 4:37. Yun ang pinakamatagal. But mostly talaga 6:30. So, by 7 or 7:10 tapos na ako. So, mag-antay na lang ako ng time. So, I'm going to maglakad ako papunta doon sa town. Kasi doon ako sasakay. Lang naman, 5 minutes from my home. That's a normal walk. That's a normal place. So, see you later guys. It's here. It's 7:15 already. So, by 7:20, bababa na ako. So, I'll see you. So, before I'm going guys, pray muna ako. Then, a little bit of perfume. That's it. So, I'm going. I'll see you later, guys. Going for work. That one. Here, Rabbit. Here. Here, that's it. That's it. Good job. Good job. Where are you going? Hey? Here, Rabbit, here, 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 here. Come on, eat that one. That's it. Eat it. That's it. Good job. Good job. Good job. Shh. Good job. Eat it. Look, loads of rabbits everywhere. 3. Yeah, look, they're playing. Look. There. There's another one. There's 6. There are holes there. There are holes there. Look at that. Come on, here, here, here. There. Come on. Come on. Oh, they're scared now. Look at them. 4 of them. 5. Hi guys, I just came back from work. Hindi na ako oh my god, hindi na wala yung workout ko. Dalawa yan, last August pa yan. And then, prepare lang ako ng breakfast ko, konting breakfast. Hindi ako nag-rice muna. Mag-cheat day ako sa Sunday. I'm trying to lose weight. I wish. Sana. So, what I'm having right now is this one. So, what I'm having right now is like ubi cheesecake, and then I got this chicken pops, and then egg with tomato, and then I got hot chocolate. That's Milo. Ito wala yan. And that's for my breakfast for today. So, that's it guys. Kain tayo. Hindi pa ako nakabihis. Naligo ako mamaya. And then, go to bed. May gawin lang ako konti. Tapos, bed na agad. Sa bed lang ako magawa lahat-lahat ng mga ano ko. And then, dito pa ako mamaya. Tapos, off Saturday. And then, back on Sunday. So, that's for my... You guys, kain muna ako. Kain tayo. Yan. Chicken is done, guys. Look at that. This one I took I put Parmesan cheese in that. It's just a grated cheese in that, and then here it's a plain one. So that's it, guys. I'm going to eat it later, or I'm gonna bring it to work for snack. See, it's still hot. Then that's the cheese on top. Can you see that?